Hi, may ano ka? May dala ka?
Not Boracay. Our flight time is approximately 45 minutes.
Morning.
Sorry. Ayan.
Touchdown Boracay.
Touchdown, Boracay. Touchdown.
Hello.
How many laps do you?
Hi, guys.
Excuse me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ito kay Patrick. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome home po.
Welcome home, guys.
Thank you.
Come in.
Ano? Welcome home.
Okay lang. Sa'yo ko yun. Inano ko para comfy.
So we're gonna wait back.
Si Joaquin.
Oh.
Online classes daw.
Online classes? Cool, really?
Parang yun daw. Basta yun.